Hi, primary stage. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman channel. Today I will resume the rest of what I start last 4 videos. Today it will be the lesson 5 in your summer course that we started in the previous videos. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say something. Don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, last class, we talk about we talk about what about the present simple tense. We talk about the present simple tense. Last class we took 2 tenses, present simple and past simple tense. I would like to give you practice on the present simple tense. In the present simple tense, as we know that we use this tense with what? With the routines, with habits, with facts. Okay, we know that we have keywords refers to the present simple, which is always, usually, sometimes, never. This always means the habit happened in 100%, and never means the habit is 0%. So here is the difference between always and never. Here we use the present simple tense to describing routines. Let's read this text and know. From Sunday to Thursday, I go to school at 7 o'clock. So here I will. So here I refers to what I doing during the school. Okay. I would like to say that the routine that we do it during when we go to school. Okay. From Sunday to Thursday, I go to school at 7. I always wake up early. I don't want to be late. My sister always goes shopping at weekends. She sometimes has lunch with some of her friends. My brother rides his bike to work. He never rides in the rain. When the weather's bad, he always takes the train. Here we say the verbs of the present simple. It will be here takes. It will be here rides. It will be here what else has. It will be here goes, it will be wake up, it will be won't, it will be go. So all these refers to the present simple tense. Let's go to revise what we took last video, and then we start the new tense today. Last video, we talk about the present simple tense, and we know this tense is used for habits and facts. And when we make the negative form on question form, we use do and does. As we know, last video also we talk about the past simple tense, and as we know that past simple tense used for what? For the to expressing action happened and ended in the past, means the narration, like what? Like when we go to school next day, or when we go to school next day, and we narrate and sit with your colleagues in your school and said that, and telling that and related to him or her that yesterday I went with my mother to the market. We bought some things. We go to the park. Then we went to the park. Then and so on. So here we use the past simple tense to narrate what happened. Okay, happened and ended. Okay, this is the use of this is the usage of this tense. Let's go to another item here, which is another tense here. It will be the present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? Present continuous tense, it's expressing what? Expressing action happened now. Action happens now. Action happens at the time of speaking. Action happens what? At the time of speaking. I think we know this during the academic year. Happens at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking. Okay, so here we use continuous tense, the present continuous tense, to expressing action happens at the time of speaking. When we say here, we have the verbs adding ing, like what? Like here, eating. This tense, what is the formula of this sentence? I would like to say the formula of this tense, it would be am plus is plus are plus verb adding ing plus verb adding plus ing. Okay, so this is the formula of this tense. Okay, so this tense, it will be am is are plus verb plus ing. Here we have eating, we have here doing, I would like to say doing, speaking, okay, and so on. Okay, I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay, let's go to another item here in this tense. I would like to say now we know this tense used for what? For expressing what? So what is the keywords of this tense? The keywords of this tense, it will be now. I will give you the famous words that refers to this tense. Now, today, at the moment. Okay, at the moment, at the moment. Okay, all these keywords that expressing these words, expressing what? Expressing continuous tense. Okay, here we have now, today, at this moment, at this moment, at the moment, at this moment. Okay, at this moment. Okay, these keywords expressing the continuous tense. Let's continue the rest of the exercise related to this unit. Today we have one tense only to be able to study and to understand what we took today. Now I explain only one. I explain only one lesson to be able to study and to be able to follow with me what we explain. Okay. Here we have I takes what in verb to be, takes aim. So here it will be aim. It sentence I answer for, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here is aim. You space here, it will be are writing. Here we say he is. Why? Because she is a singular. He, she, he, it. Take what? Take is. I will remind you with verb to be. Okay, with verb to be. I take what? I takes aim. Verb to be. You with they takes are. You, we, they takes are, take are in the it is called in the present form of in the present form. Okay, in past form we have was and were. Okay, in the present form we have and is are. Okay, the verb to be. He, it will be here what? He it will be here is. Okay, I leave the rest of this exercise to do by yourself is a homework. Okay, now I answer 4. I leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to another exercise here on this practicing on this unit. Practice on this unit, on this task. Okay. Here we have here we have an exercise, but making opposite of the having here ing, and we want to return the verb to the steam. Like what? Here is play. Playing, it will be here play. Okay. Walk, it will be here walking. It will be here walk. Okay. If you know the verb, it's easy to answer this question. It will be here do. Okay, I answered 3 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Let's go to another kind of question, which is correct the mistake. We have correct the mistake. We have another question also. It will be what? It will be do a sum between brackets. Okay, we have these 2 kinds of questions that must be in the exam. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here we have. Here we have it will be here my mom are. Is that right? No, wrong. So it will be here is. I replace is with what here? With are here. I replace are here with what? With is. I replace same is by same by is. Here is we are is correct. Putting underline for what? So here we have are drinking. Okay, it will be here are drinking. If we want to put, it will be here are drinking, because drinking. So the wrong here it's drinking. Why? Because am is are and this is continuous tense. This is not right. Why? Because we have am, and as we know that this is continuous tense, adding ing to the verb. Okay, is studied is wrong. Why? Because here studying. Why? Because as we know that am is are takes ing form. Here it will be I am. Okay. I go to another one. Here is yes, the question. Answer the following question. As we know before before grade as we know before primary stage, that when we make a question, we make what? We make a scissor. Yeah, like this. If we say if we say I would like to write it on the board and explain it for you. Okay. We will say you are writing a letter. I would like to explain in separated paper. Okay. Let's do it. Let's see. Watch with me what I do here. Okay. I would like to make a yes no question. What can I do with? Here we say you are writing a letter. You are writing a letter. You are writing. You are writing a letter. You are writing a letter. Okay. You are writing a letter. Okay. When we want to make a when we want to make yes no question, what can I do? I replace what? I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. I make a replacement. It will be here. Are you writing a letter? Are you writing a letter? And I put what at the end of the sentence? It will be question mark, because this is the question form. So we must follow by question mark. Okay, so here we have question mark. So here we say, here I replace the verb instead of the subject. If we say, I give you an example. He is a boy, for example. He is a boy. Okay. When we make he is a boy. When we make a question form of this, it will be here. I replace the verb instead of subject. It will be is he a boy? Is he a boy? And I put what? I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Is he a boy? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. So here I make inverse or replacement. I replace the verb instead of what? Instead of subject. I put here the verb, then the subject here. Okay. I would like to know to take care when we make a question. You must put question mark at the end of the sentence. If you forgot the question mark in the exam, it will be minus half mark directly. So we must take care when you answer the form of the question or interrogative, must put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another item here in this lesson. Okay. I think lesson in the video is enough for you to revise and to study. Okay, because I know that we are in the summer vacation and you can't study in the summer vacation. All of us can't study in the summer vacation. I know so. Here is, are you writing a letter? It will be here. Yes, it will be yes. To be here. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Here we say, is she cleaning the room? No, she isn't. It will be here. No, she isn't. Okay. When we have a helping verb, I write the helping verb here. Okay. No, she isn't. Am I watching a movie? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, yes, I am. Sorry, yes, I am. To be here, yes, I am not. No, I'm not. I make a understand because I don't see yes. I know that it's no. I see that it's no, but now I remember that is yes, not no. Okay, so here it would be affirmative form. Yes, I am. Here we have no, so it would be no, she isn't. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have also yes no questions with does, with did, and so on. Let's answer. I answer some of them, and I will leave you the rest to do it by yourself as a home. It will be here. Is she happy? I answer by yes. It will be yes, she is. Number 2, did you study English? No, I didn't. It will be here, no, I didn't. I put here the helping verb here, okay? As I told you before, that when we have a past form, when we put did, the verb must be put in what, in the infinitive form. This is called the infinitive form. We must put when we use did, I return the verb to the infinitive form. The same in the present form. When we use that, I put the verb in the scheme form. Okay. Here it will be does he walk to school? No, he doesn't. It will be no, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. Do you learn Arabic? No, I don't. It will be here, no, I don't. Was she happy? Can't I can answer by yes and no. Well, I answer by yes. Yes, yes, she was. Yes, she was. Okay. Yes, she was. Can you run? No, I can. To be here, no, I can. Okay. I don't answer all of them. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Let's. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. I answer some of them only. Okay. I think now we know how to answer this question. Okay. It's not difficult to do. Here is WH question, another kind of question. I will explain in the next video. Today we know how to use the yes to question. Next class I will tell you how to do the WH question. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. Thanks a lot until you meet again. Goodbye.